So a question a lot of people have asked with the Dyson Pencil Vac fluffy cones is, will it work on rugs and carpets and things like that? These fluffy cones are spinning at a pretty high number of revolutions. They're spinning in opposite directions, and it kind of makes the fluffy cone's head kind of float or feel like it's floating above the surface it's cleaning on. So it's really good at hard surfaces like tile and hardwood, but what about rugs and carpeting? Let's give it a quick try with some area rugs and we'll see how well it works. Okay, we'll start off with this bath mat. This one is pretty bumpy and it's lightweight, so it moves around pretty easily because it doesn't have any friction under it. I'm on medium setting and no problems there, so it worked out really well. Here's a similar area rug, bath mat type thing. Again, nothing sticky on the bottom, so it's pretty movable. Worked out really well there, no problems. Okay, so this is a lightweight mat that you would put under a high chair or something like that, just so keep the floors clean if you have kids or anything, any messy eaters. This one worked out great, and I will say that with the Dyson V15 or Next Gen, any of the high suction vacuums, it will clog. This thing will just get sucked up into the vacuum. So the fact that you could put the Pencil Vac on it, I guess it does say that the Pencil Vac has less suction power, but also is good with lightweight area rugs and carpets that the high power vacs can't work on. Okay, now we just have some standard carpeting. It doesn't have the cleaning power to really suck up the dust and debris from inside the carpeting the way you will with your Next Gen or V15, but it definitely cleans off the surface stuff and glides really nicely. If you push it like this, it has a lot of friction, but once those rollers are moving, it moves really smoothly. So yeah, the Pencil Vac works great on carpets and rugs and all that.